Changing your bank account on Starling Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Starling Business account by logging in through the mobile app or website using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in a menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Select Change Bank Account. Look for the option labeled Change Bank Account or something similar. Click on this option to begin the process of updating your bank details. Step 4. Enter new bank account information. Provide the required information for your new bank account, including the account number and sort code. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Starling Business Customer Support for assistance.